In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the Mirror My Video feature in Zoom. This is a handy tool that many of us might overlook, but can greatly enhance your video call experience. If you've ever noticed that things appear a bit off when you look at yourself in a Zoom meeting, this might just be the setting for you. Let's walk through the simple steps to enable this feature for a more natural and comfortable experience. To get started, you'll first need to open your Zoom application. Make sure that you're signed in and on the main screen of the app. Now, as you move your cursor around, look towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option labeled More. It typically sits alongside other settings like chat and record. Go ahead and click on More. This will open up a list of additional options available for you to explore. As you navigate through these options, the next step is to find and click on Settings. The Settings button is your gateway to customizing your Zoom experience to better meet your needs. It's well worth spending a little time here to become familiar with the different ways you can tweak settings to your advantage. Once you're inside the settings menu, you should see several tabs lined up on the left side. The one we're interested in today is Video and Effects. So, click on that tab to explore your video options. This is where you can adjust your video settings for the best call quality and experience. Now, when you open the Video and Effects section, a preview window of your video might pop up, showing you exactly what others see when you're on a call. Take a good look at this preview and everything surrounding this section, because it's here that you'll find the option to Mirror My Video. The Mirror My Video setting essentially flips your video horizontally. This effect can make it look more like the reflection you see in the mirror, which can often feel more familiar and intuitive, especially if you're accustomed to checking your appearance in a mirror before starting your call. It doesn't change how others see you, it's purely for your comfort and orientation. To enable this feature, all you need to do is check the box next to Mirror My Video. Once you click that box, the preview of your video likely will flip to its mirror image. Spend a minute looking at that change to decide if that feels more comfortable for you. And that's it. Just like that, you've turned on the Mirror My Video feature in Zoom. Remember, this setting is all about how you perceive yourself. It's not going to impact how others see you on their screens. We hope this little trick helps make your next Zoom call feel just a bit more like your reflection. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.